Welcome to today's video, where we're going to break down how GPS works, one of the most remarkable technologies we use every single day without even thinking about it. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It's a network of satellites, ground stations, and receivers that work together to pinpoint your exact location anywhere on Earth. Here's how it all begins. The United States Department of Defense launched the GPS satellite network, and today there are around 31 operational satellites orbiting the Earth at an altitude of approximately 20,200 kilometers. These satellites are arranged so that at least 4 are visible from almost any point on the planet at any given time. Now here's the key principle. GPS works through a process called trilateration. Each satellite continuously broadcasts a radio signal containing 2 critical pieces of information: the satellite's exact position in space and the precise time the signal was sent. Your GPS receiver picks up these signals and calculates how long each signal took to arrive. Since radio signals travel at the speed of light, the receiver can determine its distance from each satellite. With signals from just one satellite, you could be anywhere on a sphere around it. With 2 satellites, that narrows down to a circle. With 3 satellites, it pinpoints a single location on Earth's surface. A 4th satellite eliminates timing errors and provides accurate altitude, giving you full 3-dimensional positioning. Modern GPS receivers are incredibly accurate, typically within 3 to 5 meters for consumer devices. Military and high-precision systems can achieve centimeter-level accuracy using corrections from ground-based reference stations. Other countries have also developed their own systems. Russia has GLONASS, Europe has Galileo, and China has Beidou. Most modern smartphones actually use multiple systems simultaneously for better accuracy. GPS technology today goes far beyond navigation. It's critical in aviation, shipping, agriculture, earthquake monitoring, financial transaction timestamping, and even scientific research. So next time your phone tells you to turn left in 200 meters, remember that instruction came from satellites thousands of kilometers above your head, all working together in perfect timing. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.